Hi, for those of you who are new here, my name is Becky and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you guys a tile, tub, and sink scrub that I make using ingredients that I already have on hand in my home. And it's perfect because it's non-toxic, and it's great for those of you who are trying to transition to more non-toxic plant-based house cleaners. So let's get started. The ingredients that you're going to need today are baking soda, some hydrogen peroxide, white distilled vinegar, several drops of your favorite essential oils, and some Dawn liquid dish soap. And all of that is going to be mixed up in a bowl. And so what I really like about this DIY scrub is that you can play with the consistency of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is add about a third cup of the baking soda to a bowl, to a small bowl. And I'm going to add several drops of the orange essential oil, and the same with the tea tree oil. Just kind of mix it all together just to incorporate the essential oil into the baking soda. And if you wanted to, you could use the product as is, just like that, if you want to just have it loose like that. Kind of like the way like Comet would be, it's just powdery. So you could actually use the scrubber just like that. Add a little bit of the hydrogen peroxide, not even the full 4th cup, to the mixture. And just eyeballing the Dawn liquid dish soap, I'm going to add about like a teaspoon. And I'm just gonna mix it all up. I'm going to show you guys how I use it. You can use the product like this and just kind of drizzle it in there. And then with your sponge or whatever you use to clean the inside of the sink, you would just clean it like normal, just like that. And it gets everything nice and clean. And this is what I use to clean all of my restrooms. Like I said, the sink, the tub, and the tile. And I have been using this to clean the inside of the toilet as well, and it works great. I'm going to show you what happens when you add the vinegar. So I'm just going to add a little bit to it, and you see how it just foams up. And I don't know, I like when it does that. And it's just the same thing. I would just add it in there, and just with the sponge just scrub. But like I said, it's optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. And that's it, guys. That's what it looks like after I cleaned it. It's all nice and shiny, and it smells really good, like essential oils. So that's how you make the DIY sink, tile, and tub scrub. I hope that you guys give it a try and let me know how that works out for you in the comments below. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button so that you don't miss any of these videos. And once again, thank you so much for joining me, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!